got told by the plumber that I had to go get a plumber. So today I'll be the plumber because that's got stuff down in it. And apparently it doesn't go through. So you can't see anything. We're gonna clear it out with a water jet. I'm gonna get dirty as hell. Got a pressure washer attachment. We'll get the pressure washer started. Does that say 9? On is 8. Where's 7? There are 9 steps to start this pressure washer? Why are there 9? There are 8, 9. Ha! 1 is hook up water. That makes sense. 2 is, I don't know what that is. And it feels like there's a gasket in there. That's nice. There's never a gasket in there. 1, 2, 9. Where's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8? 8, 9. Could probably turn water onto it. All right. Oh, right here. That's gross. Got me. It's just not going to turn that corner.
Here, hold on, hit it once. I got to turn it a little bit.
Okay.
Just leave it right there. Don't take it out back.
Yep.
Just like keep it in there for a minute.
Yeah.
Maybe you can make a path where it can get through.
I mean, it's spinning. Oh, there it is. Just cleared. Look at that.
Keep letting it hit.
Yeah. Oh, man. Oh, there it went. There it is. Oh, still got.
You get a bigger pipe.
Is that what it was?
I think so.
There was a blockage going into the bigger pipe.
Oh, yeah.
2-inch play.
Exactly what it is.
There's where it was.
Now I've worked in and out of that a few times. It'll wash itself out.
Oh, I'm stuck, I think, at this 90.
Okay. Turn it off.
Yeah, try that. Let's see if. Nah, go ahead and turn it back on.
Come near you. Watch
Go
your
for
face.
it. We ran out of gas. I'm still stuck. Just needed that little bit. Not too shabby, man. Look at all of that. Yeah, let's spray it right on the outlet. Some stuff came out of there. It didn't smell bad. Actually, a lot of gritty, like sandy type stuff. All right, let's see if this actually works. All right, the drain's draining now. It's taken the whole garden hose 100%, so we're calling it good. So that's what you get. We got it all clear. It ran water well down it, and we're off to continue on the roof. They got most of the roof done today. Ready for underground inspection. Should happen tomorrow. Got all our pipes in. Boop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doo. There's a clean out for the whole house. There's a transition from PVC into clay. Check that out. All these old houses are clay. Clay looked really good. There's the shower drain. There's the toilet flange. There's the main stack that goes up. It'll catch everything else up there. And then we're gonna try to put laundry right over there. It's gonna be awesome. Upstairs, what did we get done on plumbing? Look at that. Got a nice clean chip out of the block up above. So there's the sink leg right there. Goes over. There's our vent. Goes up, ties in, goes through the roof. That goes down. That you can see ends right there. But that's gonna go tie into what you just saw in the basement. So that should be the roof for the kitchen. Done. Easy, clean, perfect. Then you come into the bathroom. Let's see where we got on that one. Wow, we made a ton of progress today. So there's a leg over for the shower drain. You can see all of the shower accoutrement. Oh, that's right, we're flipping which way this is going. All of our stuff's going over here. That's gonna be awesome. We're gonna get it off over there, put it over here. That'll be wonderful. Then toilet flange isn't in yet. Toilet flange will go in there. This comes across. Oh my gosh, vanity's roughed. I'm gonna confirm that I like where those go, but I think I know what he did. I think we're gonna have to extend that. But if that's the worst problem that we got, we'll hit it. There's his math. This part of the process is very much a dance between plumber, electrician, and framer, because you'd usually frame first and then plumb, then electrical and HVAC. Actually, technically, you want your HVAC guy in there first because theirs is the biggest stuff, followed by plumbing is the second least flexible, followed by electrical, which can kind of weave in across everything. So, but with this, because we're working on an old house, we got to demo stuff out. We're kind of still doing demos, still doing framing, and simultaneously getting our mechanicals in. So getting our plumbing, getting in our electrical, getting in our HVAC, everything will work together and then all of a sudden come together at the drywall stage. So we'll cover everything up and it'll look beautiful. Cracks me up, plumber. So your drain's clogged. You're gonna have to call a plumber. You are a plumber, not that kind of plumber.